In this video I'm going to show you how to clean Nivona CafeRomatica 520. This is where I start, using a sponge with some water. Just quickly wash front paddle. Then open this case and get rid of water and coffee remains. After I removed the deep tray and container for coffee remains, there's still some coffee remains left inside this. But the next step is to remove brewing unit and to clean it underwater. Usually I use an old toothbrush to clean this part. Like this. Okay, the next part is gonna be a little bit tricky, and before I do it, I'm gonna have to remove all the parts that is not necessary right now. This thing, water tank, and remaining coffee beans. Also, before do this, you need to unplug the power cable, just in case. Better be safe than sorry. Right, now that I'm removed everything, water tank, cappuccino maker, you may want to remove this part as well, just in case, to clean it up. But it's not necessary, and now the fun part begins. We'll need to unscrew those screws that holds this plate. To remove it and clean everything that is it's over here. Okay, and the last screw. Okay, total of 5 screws. Now remove this part, and as you can see, it's all ugly. There. Okay. We're gonna need to clean all this mess. Right, I'm gonna use my irrigator to clean this part. First, shove back this part so all water will go into it. And now, turn it on. Goes down, you can put used water. Should be pretty clean at this point. Oh yeah. Cut. this mess? Okay, this part is clean as well now. Okay, now I'm going to have to use a hair dryer. Get rid of extra moisture. By the way, I'm using fan with cooling, so the plastic parts won't melt down. Alright, I think it's dry enough. Now maybe a little bit of silicone. Using this silicone lubricant, it's for coffee machines, so it can't use here. Here, there's a little bit here, and spread. This part rotates, so it needs to be lubricated. Okay, and maybe just a little bit on this part, just in case. Though I thought that this part needs it, but better be safe than sorry. Okay. Alright, now when it's all dried and cleaned, it's time to assemble and also lubricate it. Now it's time to assemble it back together. Whoops. Alright, let's check if the part that goes in here will fit. Does it fit? Nope. Nope, it does not. Seems to be the problem. Oh, yeah, I forgot. When I cleaned this part moved, so in order to fit it in, you'll need to assemble it back together. This might be a little bit tricky, but you'll learn. So place it like this, and then just push the brown part until it clicks. Right, like this. Now it will fit.